Today we will discuss about sexual transmitted disease. What is this sexual transmitted disease? Sexual transmitted disease is caused by sexual intercourse. Sexual disease through one person to another person during intercourse, unprotected sex, vaginal or oral sex, anal sex, and STD, also called sexual transmitted disease. Signs and symptoms of sexual transmitted disease: pain and discomfort during sex, sores, bumps, rashes on around the penis, testicles, anus, buttocks, thighs, or mouth, unusual discharge or bleeding from the penis, painful or swollen testicles. This all in men. Women, vaginal discharge, bumps, rashes, pus from vagina. Sexual transmitted disease symptoms in women: pain or discomfort during sex, same. Sores, bumps, rashes are around the vagina, anus, and buttocks, thigh, or mouth. Unusual discharge or bleeding from vagina. Itchiness and around the vagina. Types of STDs: many different types of STDs: chlamydia, human papillomavirus, syphilis, HIV, gonorrhea, pubic eye scrapes, trichomoniasis, herpes. We will discuss some important diseases like syphilis. Syphilis and other bacterial infection. It often goes unnoticed in early stages. The first symptoms to appear is a small round sore known as a chancre. It can develop on your penis, genitals, anus, or mouth. It is painless but very infectious. Later symptoms of syphilis can include rash, fatigue, fever, headache, joint pain, weight loss, hair loss. In left-handed untreated syphilis, late stage syphilis, loss of vision, loss of hearing, loss of memory, mental illness, infection of the brain and spinal cord, heart disease, death. And second most common disease, gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is another common disease, bacterial disease, also known as CLAP. Many people with gonorrhea develop no symptoms, no any symptoms in gonorrhea. But when present, symptoms may include a white, yellow, beige or green colored discharge from the penis or vagina, pain or discomfort during sex or urination, more frequent urination than usual, itching around the genitals, sore throats. If left untreated, gonorrhea can lead to infection of the urethra, prostate gland, or testicles, pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, infertility. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.